Hi everyone, welcome back to my Tasteful Cook. Tonight we are gonna make a crispy, cheesy chicken bites. Golden, crunchy and so tasty. Let's get started. We need chicken breasts that are slightly frozen. It makes them easier to cut. Now let's dice them into small cubes. Now crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them well until smooth and uniform. Add 1 cup of flour to the eggs and whisk well until smooth and uniform. Oops, don't forget the cheese. Add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella to the mixture and stir well. Now add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the mixture and stir well for a creamy texture. Next, season the mixture with salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Mix well. Now chop the parsley. Finally, add 2 tablespoons to the mixture. Stir well. Add the chicken pieces to the mixture and stir well Our batter is ready for frying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Share it with your friend and let me know what recipe you want to see next. Once the oil is hot, drop a tablespoon of the batter into the pan, spacing them about a tablespoon apart. Frying until golden on both sides. Look at these crispy, cheesy bites. So delicious and golden. Can't wait for you to try them. With love from my kitchen to yours.
It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.